Hey guys, it's Mildred. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Vampy Valentine's Day look. I got some new makeup and want to test them out, so let's just get started. I just washed my face using some facial cleansing wipes just in case I didn't remove all my makeup, but also keeping my skin healthy and moisturized. Speaking of moisturizer, I'm using the one from Somerville. I have super dry skin. Time for primer, using YSL Beauty Touche Eclat Blur Primer with 10 seconds to sink in my face. I'm using my new Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation in Driftwood with a damp beauty blender, of course, because this foundation seriously lives up to its name by being full coverage. I literally only use a small pump and I focus on my cheeks. I use the leftover on the center of my face, under my eyes, and I try to avoid putting anything on my forehead. The by Terry Touche Veloutee concealer to cover and brighten under my eyes with this baby beauty blender. Then I just use the leftover on my nose and my chin. I'm contouring with the Pure Cosmetics Cameo contour stick. Before I blend, I use a small brush to contour my nose just so it's not too harsh. Then blend with a beauty blender by dabbing it a bunch. And now I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder in light to bake my face, putting it under my cheekbones. And can you guys tell that I'm new to baking because I'm seriously a noob with it? And to pass time before I brush it off, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia pomade in shade Soft Brown. Doing my eyebrows basically take under 3 minutes to do. I outline 3/4 of the perimeter, fill in the sparse areas, and blend smoothly on the brow head. With the Wetnwild Photo Focus Concealer, I'm making them super fleeky by outlining the bottom and using a concealer brush to blend it all out. Then using a combo of Revlons eyeshadow primer and the same concealer to prime my eyelids, and blending it with my small beauty blender. After that's done, it's time to brush off the setting powder with circular motions and patting motions under my eyes. Using the Nars pressed powder in shade Soleil to warm up my face, and circular motions as well. Then adding that cute Valentine's Day blush look with Tarte's blush in shade Paaarty or Party. Up close and personal, using the light pink shade in the Clarins eyeshadow palette in Lovely Rose, putting that all over my crease. Then using the Colourpop double entendre shadow palette, combining the shade Nip Slip with the same pink shade, putting that all over my crease just to create a bronzy rose gold color. And then more of Nip Slip on the outer crease. And then just combining Hot Bod and Hard together to make a dark burgundy shade on my eyelids for that vampy look. Adding more layers and blending that smokiness with my crease color. Now I put dark brown shade on the inner and outer corners, and then more burgundy color on the center, and I just blend. Then I use a teeny bit of the same pink shade on the center of my lids, then just cleaning up the outer edges. With the Kat Von D tattoo liner, I'm going to create a winged liner. I usually start on the wing tip first, but I went ahead and lined my lids first, then approached my wings. I just make a thin line, and I'll be connecting it later. I always go back and forth to ensure they're symmetrical. And now I'm just connecting them together. After that's done, I just went back to my eyeshadow palette to put on my outer waterline, curl them lashes, then using Clarins 4-in-1 eyeliner pen to tightline my eyes. I know this looks kind of scary. And on my outer waterline again. Setting powder time with Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I just fanned that off just a little bit and applied Givenchy's Mr. Brow Groom. No one wants chapped lips on Valentine's Day, so I made my own DIY sugar lip scrub with honey, sugar, and olive oil. I just applied in circular motions, then took it off with my wipe. Mascara time with Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Thanks babe for the great Christmas present. I love it. Then Givenchy's Phenomenized Mascara for my bottom lashes. Then using Amber Gold shade from the Anastasia Glow Kit to match that V-Day theme. A lot on my cheekbones, some on my brow bone, then inner corners and nose. And last but not least, Ofra Americano Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. These are crazy moisturizing because the formula is so creamy. It feels really comfortable, plus it's super long wearing. And this color, guys, is everything. It can be a brighter terracotta or a deeper burnt brownish orange, depending on how you layer it. And this is the final completed look. I went for that smoky, vampy date night look. I usually don't wear this much makeup, but since it's V-Day, why not? For Valentine's Day, I'm going out for brunch with my boyfriend because we both have class that night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and see you next video. Bye!